Here's the enlarged Christmas bouquet tutorial you all asked for. Get your materials ready and have your friends join me to make one together. With red yarn, make a magic ring and crochet 6 single crochets to start the calyx. Pull the loop tight and join with a slip stitch to the first stitch to begin. Round 2, single crochet increase in each stitch, 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Round 3, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet increase, repeat 6 times. Round 4, 2 single crochets, 1 single crochet increase, repeat 6 times. Round 5, 3 single crochets, 1 single crochet increase, repeat 6 times. Round 6, 4 single crochets, 1 single crochet increase, repeat 6 times. Round 7, 5 single crochets, 1 single crochet increase, repeat 6 times. After completing this round, join with a slip stitch to the front loop of the first stitch, and remember to carry along the inner mountain while crocheting. Chain 1 to start round 8, working in the front loops only, crochet 42 single crochets evenly. Rounds 9 through 13, work normally into both loops, 42 single crochets evenly. After completing 13 rounds, join with a slip stitch to the first stitch to begin. Round 14, 5 single crochets, 1 single crochet decrease, repeat 6 times. Round 15, 4 single crochets, 1 single crochet decrease, repeat 6 times. Round 16, 3 single crochets, 1 single crochet decrease, repeat 6 times. Round 17, crochet 12 single crochet decreases. After finishing this round, join with a slip stitch to the first stitch, then take some cotton from your bestie's pillow and stuff it inside like this. Next, start round 18 with 6 single crochet decreases. For round 19, chain 3, yarn over and work 3 double crochets in the same stitch, a W stitch, making 6 W stitches total in this round. Round 20, chain 3, then work 18 double crochets evenly. Round 21, work 18 single crochets evenly. Finally, join with a slip stitch to the first stitch, chain 1 and break yarn to switch to white. Insert hook into the back loops of round 8, chain 1 to start, then work 42 single crochets evenly. After finishing this round, join with a slip stitch, chain 3 to begin round 2. Beginners, listen carefully here, yarn over and work 3 double crochets in the front loop of the same stitch. Then yarn over and work 3 double crochets in the back loop of the next stitch. Alternate between front and back loops around the entire round, ending with a slip stitch to the first stitch, chain 1 and fasten off.